Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have something really exciting to share with you. I'll be walking you through step by step on how you can share your activated email with family and friends to get even more credits for generating videos. And that's just the beginning. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I will also be revealing extra tips and tricks that will help you maximize your access and create unlimited videos without stress. And if this is your first time here, or if you find value in this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. It really motivates me to keep creating and sharing more powerful updates like this for you. Alright, let's dive straight in and get started. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is to make sure you turn on your phone to desktop mode to make this very easier. Alright, so now once you're done with that, what I'm going to do next is want to come over to our Google and get to this service to see how it's been done. Alright, so you make sure you select one of your pro email and activated email. Once you are done with that, now I've selected one of my activated email. Then I'll make sure that my Chrome browser is set to desktop mode. Alright, so once you're done, you come over and click on people and sharing. Once you click on people and sharing, then this is where we are going to. Alright, so don't skip any part of this video so that you understand what I'm saying. Now I click on share. Well, add family members. You can see that you can bring your family together on Google to share all the pro features, like all the features of your Google, you can share. And this email, they will get different credit. You get your credit, they will get their own credit. Like, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. So just keep watching this video. Don't skip any part so that you don't make any mistake. So you can see what this is telling us right here. So, ready to be a family manager, that is you, that you're having the pro account, you want to be the manager of the account. So you come over and click on continue. Alright, so where you continue, you are going to see where you are going to add emails. You can add 5 people to the email. So which means 5 plus you makes it 6 people using one email. This is so lovely and so amazing, guys. Now, I'm going to type in one of my email that I've not activated any pro. Let me use my personal email. Let's see if it's going to accept that. So, once I type in that, I'm going to hit on invite. Like, I'm going to invite myself, for example. Alright, so after inviting myself, what I'm going to do next is I am going to accept the invitation. Like, the invitation has been sent to me to my other email, that is my private email. So you can see it right here, family, like that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll go to my Gmail app. Let's try to sign in to this mail. Let me try and sign in and see. Alright, so you can see here I've already invited my other email. So let's try to switch the email. Now let me switch it to the email that I invited. Alright, so after switching it in, then let me try to open the Gmail directly from here and see if it's going to work. Okay. Alright, so as you're seeing this right here, Google is telling me to verify that it is really me. So it's already stressed. Let me just go straight to my Gmail app to accept the request from there. Alright, so I'll open my email. Let me switch the email to the personal email I invited. Let me do that right away so you can see the message right there, join Vic's family group. So I'll come down and click on accept invitation. When I click on invite, it redirects me to Chrome. You can see Vic has invited you to join his family on Google. So you come over and click on get started, then click on join now. Alright, so when you click on join now, you see that you have this that can't join family group because this look like this email, this is not from this country. So you close and go to your Chrome browser, let's find out a way out. Look for your VPN. Connect to VPN. Once you connect to VPN, then you are going to go back to the they approve at this thing, so you join me, click on join again. Then, okay, let's refresh it at first. Then we can see we're starting facing the same issue. Alright, so if you are facing this same issue again, all you just do is create a new email with a VPN. While you create a new email with VPN, then you come out and try it again. Then you see it's a bit done successfully. Like, it's so easy and so simple. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you've watched it to this point, just let me know in the comment section that you've watched this video to this point. So, because that keeps motivating me to keep dropping amazing to ladies. And if it works out for you, type it in the comment section that I've tried it out and it will work out for me. And if I yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do that, as that's part of my motivation to keep dropping amazing updates like this. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd love to see you in the next video. Bye.